We have another product training here today. And as you guys know, on the product trainings, we're breaking down everything you need to know in order to start your trading journey and start it on the successful path with the right guidance. See, today, if this is your first time, what we do is we break down the basics. We break down what the broker looks like. We break down exactly what you get when you partner up with us and how most of us learn how to invest into the markets. And you guys are going to get an exclusive look at our strategy and the tools and resources we use every single day in order to get trade ideas in the market. So I am your host, Mr. Gio Fernandez at East Coast G. If this is your first time tuning into a product training ever, please drop a 1 in the chat box. Drop a 1 if this is your first time ever. If you're copping on here for the second, third, fourth, fifth, 100th time, drop a number 2 in the chat box for us. If you're somebody who's working the business, somebody who's successful, somebody who's seeing profits in the market, somebody who's impacting the world, I want you to drop a 3 in the chat box, family. I see there's some new people here today. I see there's some people having results. I see there's some people spreading the mission. I see you guys on here, family. I appreciate y'all. The chat box is working today. Let me give a huge shout to our special guest here today. We have a very special guest. I don't know your name because you're under Zoom user. Marquise is a very special guest here today. I appreciate you guys. First time on here. Our product trainings happen very, very often. And it's my goal to make sure that you understand exactly what it is that we're breaking down. So if at any point you have a question, you're more than welcome to unmute your microphone or write in the chat box. For those of you guys watching on YouTube, comment down below. And what I'll do is I'll make sure to get back to you and answer all of your questions. So with that being said, I want to give a special shout outs to Platinum 2000, Miss P Mula in the building. Make sure y'all follow her on Instagram. We got P2000 Romeo, my boy, out here in the mix. We got P600 Glishelle. I see you. We got P600 Jomar Lopez. We got P6 in the mix, Isander. We got P150 Brandon in the building. A lot of success out there. A lot of success. I see you guys. Huge shouts to you guys. I appreciate you more than anything for spreading the vision, spreading this information, because I know growing up, I know 10 years ago, I wish I had somebody like you in my life that was guiding me in the right direction, that was giving me proper education and information that is going to change my life for the rest of my life, right? So shouts to you guys for making those things happen. With that being said, we're going to go right ahead and get started. So first off, what we're going to do is we're going to break down our partnership. So most of us starting this business, we didn't have guidance as it pertains to investing in the market. See, when we went to school, elementary school, middle school, high school, we weren't taught about real estate. We weren't taught about credit cards, about interest rates. We weren't taught how to invest in financial markets. So what we did was we partnered up with an online platform that's teaching us step by step and guiding us and showing us everything we need to know about investing in the market. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sign on to that. For those of you guys who don't have access to this, get back to the person who got you on this call. Get back to the person who showed you this call, or drop a comment in the chat box and I'll make sure to DM you and get you guys plugged in. So here it is. First things first, what we're going to do is we're going to go into the academies. See, in the academies, you guys are going to see a list of videos teaching you step by step everything you need to know as it pertains to investing into 3 different financial markets. First off, we have foreign exchange, the largest financial market in the world. Think with me, family. Anytime you travel outside of the US, you have to exchange your currency. If I go see some of our friends over in the UK, I have to exchange my currency. Shouts to Annie Lou. If I go visit some of my family in the Dominican Republic, I have to exchange my currency, because you see, in different countries, the US dollar isn't used. You can't go to the corner store and buy your groceries. So the foreign exchange market is the largest market because it's something that's used worldwide. It's something that's 24 hours a day. And through the different platforms, through the different brokers, we have the ability to invest into it 5 days a week, Sunday through Friday. You have the ability to learn about digital currency. So cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, all of these online currencies that are taking off exponentially. Bitcoin just hit 40,000. And 12 years ago, it was under a penny. If you invested $100, you would have been a multi-millionaire today. But the problem is, like I said, most people don't have access to the education. And that's what we're here to talk about today. Third academy, we have HFX. We call it money in minutes. It's binary options. And typically what we're doing is we're entering the markets, and within a matter of minutes, we're seeing a return on our investment. So within the HFX Academy, you guys are going to see about 90 videos that's teaching you step by step everything you need to know and everything you need to apply in order to start looking for potential entries, in order to take advantage of this financial market. My favorite part of this partnership is step number two. It's step number two. And for some people, it may be step number one, because if you're interested in making money and seeing a return, you're not really caring about the ins and outs of trading. This is where you're going to start off. Right? So for my new people, we actually have a trading session happening in 1 hour and 45 minutes. That's at 11 p.m. Eastern. Today is Sunday night, present time, right? So what's happening now is I'm doing everything in my power to make sure you guys are ready for that session. And you guys are ready to start seeing a return and gaining that experience in the markets. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to talk about one of my favorite educators. He goes by the name of Matthew Thayer, averaging over 60,000 views. He's going on live every Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday at 11 p.m. Eastern. And then every Friday at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And what he's doing is he's breaking down his strategy. He's breaking down exactly what he did since he took his account from just $500 to over $8 million today. Now, his results are not indicative of yours, but what he's going to do is he's going to teach you step by step what he did. He's even going to guide you and take some trade ideas so that you can potentially make money every single night or day when you're on a session with him. So in 1 hour and 45 minutes, he's getting started. So now we're going to do everything to prepare you guys so you guys know exactly what to do. So with that being said, I'm going to go and switch over to my broker. Remember, at any point, family, if you guys have any questions, you're more than welcome to ask, right? Don't feel shy. Don't feel, any type, like I got you guys, right? And our goal is to make sure that you guys are going to be ready to take some trade ideas. So I'm actually going to go on, somebody's calling me. They should be on this product training right now. No cap. I'm actually going to go on Race Option. Right? RaceOption.com is a broker that you guys can all use. The reason I'm choosing Race Option today is because I've been doing Pocket Option or IQ Cent the past couple of days, and I'm just switching it up. But pretty much this broker, Race Option, Vibe Forex, Binary Cent, IQ Cent, they all look the same. It's just different colors. Some of them might be pink. Some of them might be black and blue. Some of them are orange. So it's all the same thing, just different colors. Pretty much what you're looking at is your broker's dashboard. And through the broker, you have the chance to invest into the financial markets. The broker's like the middleman. They're like your bank. When you partner up with us, we have no access to your broker. So if you make $1,000 or when you make $10,000, that money is completely yours. You don't have to give me a percentage, right? I'm just going to teach you exactly what I know, because that's what's going to get you paid the fastest. Right? And that's why we're here. So on the left-hand side, we're going to see all of the different currencies in the world, whether it's the US dollar versus the Japanese yen, the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar, Great British pound like they use in the UK versus the Australian dollar. Whatever the case is, you're going to see all of the different currencies listed out. If you click on this little blue box, you can change between currencies to commodities like gold, silver, oil. You can search up different cryptocurrencies, different stocks, whatever the case is. We're going to stay in with currencies today. So we're going to go and I'm going to do, as an example, Euro JPY, because I love the Euro versus the Japanese yen. And before I go over this percentage here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move over to the middle of the screen. Now, in the middle, you see a visual representation of what price is doing. So you're going to see price going up. You're going to see price going down. Family, keep in mind, this is a live market. So this is going to move as it moves real time in the real world, right? So as it goes up, we're going to look for potential entries. As it goes down, we're going to look for potential entries. But the way we're going to do it is with a strategy that's going to be shown to you guys, is by listening to some of the different educators and partners that are going to show you exactly what it is that they do. But you guys have to be prepared, right? Because with perfect preparation, you prevent poor performance. So on the right-hand side, moving on, you're going to see option type. There's 3 different types of option type. You have turbo, you have intraday, and you have long-term. Whenever you're entering a turbo, and more times than not, you're going to be in the turbo option type. You're looking at 1 minute to 30-minute trades. Whenever you're looking at intraday, you're looking at 1 hour to 30 hours. Whenever you're looking at long-term, you're looking at 1 day all the way up to 30 days. So essentially, you can be in a trade from anywhere from 1 minute all the way up to 30 days to start. That's up to you. Now, when you trade with us and you trade with our strategy and our resource, we're more than likely taking 2, 3, 5 minutes, very rarely 15-minute trades. So more times than not, we're looking at turbo. So now, right under the option type, you're going to see time. Now, if you click this menu, you're going to see it go all the way down 1 to 30 if we're under turbo, or whatever the case is if we're under the other option types, right? More times than not, we're looking at 2 or 3 minutes. Right now, because I'm going to do an example, we're going to look at a 1 minute trade, right? We're going to take a 1 minute trade. Next, we have our amount right here on the bottom, or before amount, we have fixed time. And let me touch on that, right? So fixed time, you guys see here, let me zoom out. We have a purchase deadline and we have an expiration right on the chart. So if I put fixed time on, as an example, what happens is I'm going to get 1 full minute, or 2 minutes. If I said 2 minutes or 4 minutes, whatever it is that I said, I'm going to get full amount of time because the expiration is going to be continuously moving. Now, if my fixed time is off, similar to how the minutes start at 0, right? You're going to be in a trade more or less time than what you're putting by a little bit. So right now I have a 1 minute trade. So what happens is the 1 minute is going to start at this purchase deadline and it's going to end at the expiration time. So if I press and enter a trade right now, I'm going to be in it for a little bit longer than a minute, like a minute, 10 seconds, a minute, 15 seconds, because that's when the broker sets their purchase deadline, their deadline for you to enter the markets at that allotted time that you selected. That's if fixed time is off. More times than not, we trade with fixed time off. But during certain market conditions, we're going to go ahead and tell you, turn on that fixed time because we want you to get that time to the T, right? Next, right under that, we're going to see our trading amount. This is essentially how much we want to trade. We can trade anywhere from 1 penny all the way up to X amount. There's no cap. There's no limit. So you can change this number from $1, $10, $100, 1,006, 10,060, so on and so forth. And as you guys can see, the profits are going to continue to go up if you win the trade. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to refer back to the left-hand side of the page, where right next to the currencies, you guys are going to see different percentages. And these percentages are basically telling you how much that pair is paying out, how much you're making per trade. So if you see 77%, how we see on Euro JPY, that means that for every dollar that we risk, we're going to make 77 cents. If we're risking $10, as I have here, we're going to make $7.70. $100 risk, we're going to make $77, and so on and so forth, right? So whatever number you see here, that's what you're going to be paid out. Typically, you're going to see payouts anywhere between 60% to 95%. More times than not, we're looking at about 70% or higher, right? But sometimes you can catch a 60%, 65% payout, but more times than not, you're looking 70% or higher, right? So with that being said, we know the pairs, we know the payouts, we know the amount of time that we're entering a trade, and we know for the amount. The one thing we don't know yet is how we're entering the markets. And that's where these two very important, the most important buttons on this screen right now, are this green button here and this red button here. Reason being, whenever I press this red button, I'm in the markets. Whenever I press this green button, I'm in the markets. So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna press it. Damn, I wanted to catch that high. Boom, it's back up there. Boom. So I just pressed it here. So now I just entered a 1 minute trade. I pressed the red button. So whenever I press the red button, that means I'm expecting price to go down. If I press the green button, I want price to go up. So what that means is I pressed the red button when price was up here, right? So price is here. I did it for 1 minute. So 1 minute is going to be this stretch of time all the way here going to the end of the purchase deadline, right? This is 1 full minute. This is shooting up. I might lose this trade, but it's cool because I did it with no analysis, right? So it ends here. So what happens is at the end of this 1 minute, if the current price is below my entry, then I'm going to win whatever my profit is. If current price is above my entry, then I lose whatever I risked. On our particular trade, we pushed, meaning we broke even, meaning price was at the exact same point at the end of 1 minute as where we got in. So we didn't lose, nor did we win. I just got my money back. Let me know if that makes sense to everybody. If you guys have any questions. Let me see. Somebody has a question. So do you like always choose the highest payout or do you do it in a certain way? No, so the payout doesn't affect my trade idea. No. Like if the payout is low, maybe I won't take the trade, but I'm looking for setups. I'm looking for the perfect trade. I'm looking for the trade that lines up with my list of confirmations and gives me the highest chance of being profitable. So if that's a 65% trade, a 70%, 75, then it is what it is. But more times than not, I'm looking for 70% or higher. That's a very good question, Annie Lou. Any other questions? Bad. I appreciate you guys. We got about 20 people on today's call. Shouts to my boy Almighty Kev, Annie Lou from the UK. We got Brandon, DJ Stay Richless, Jaquil, Joan, Kaylee, Lena. Kaylee, welcome to the family. We got Marquise, Mindset Money. You okay? Bitcoin shot up, guys. Bitcoin shot up. We got Glishelle, Alyssa Mika. Am I saying your name right, bro? I'm sorry if I'm not. I know you told me before too.
It's all right, Brian. It's Alyssa Mecca.
Alyssa Mecca.
Yeah.
Got you. Alyssa Mecca. Got you, bro. Alyssa Mecca. Got him. Rob, my boy Romeo, Ulysses, and the Zoom user. Shouts to you. Oh, that's Bobby. Shouts to Bobby, my guy. So that's what we're looking at. So this is money in minutes, family. So I'm gonna take another trade as an example because I did a put, we pushed. I'm gonna take a call, right? But I'm gonna switch pairs. I want to take a call, but this looks like it's gonna shoot down. Not even gonna hold you, so I'm gonna just take another put, right? So, and look, it shoots up. See, when you do your trades with no analysis, family, you're gambling. Like I'm gambling, but I just want to show you guys exactly what it is. I thought it was gonna shoot down just from that little picture, but it didn't, right? If I hit call, then it shoots down. I love it here, right? So if I hit call, that means I want price to be higher. Oh, you know what this does? It gives me, I can't even roll over. I was just gonna break down roll over for you guys. Oh, boom, the call lets me roll over, right? So rollover feature, if I'm losing the trade and I still have a good amount of time on the trade, what's gonna happen is I have the ability to roll over. So what rollover means, and I'm not gonna have the time to do it because I'm breaking even on this one right now. What rollover means is whenever you roll over, right, you're adding more time to your trade. So what you do is you're gonna press this little button here, it's gonna pop up. It's like a little clock, right? And you press that little button there, and what that does is it adds more time to your trade. So if you have a 1 minute trade, it's gonna be a 2 minute trade. It's gonna add another minute, right? If you have a 3 minute trade, then it's gonna be another 3 minutes added to the trade. So it does that because sometimes you have to be aware that it's not if the market is gonna go in that direction, is when it's gonna go in that direction. So sometimes you might need to add more time. The only thing with adding more time is it adds 30% to your account, to your trade size. So for example, if you're doing a $10 trade, like we were doing playing around, Now your trades are gonna go from being $10 trades to them being $13 trades. If you have $100 trade, it's gonna go from it being $100 risk to $130 risk. So what we say is we never want to roll over more than 2 to 3 times, unless you have the experience and you know what it is that you're doing. But when it comes to trading with us, with the educators on live, you're never going to roll over more than 2 to 3 times. Any questions on that topic? Any questions? Any questions? Well, let's get it. Let's get it. It's 9:29 p.m. It's going to wrap up the first part of today's training. I was about to ask how many times you roll over. Yeah, 2 to 3 times max. There's been situations where we've rolled over more times than that, but you know, as you're getting started, 2 to 3 times max, and as you gain experience, then you can start expanding on that. Right? So that breaks down the first part of this presentation. Now, for the next 20 minutes or so, I'm going to give it to one of my partners that from day one has seen value in what it is that we're doing. From day one, he's always felt like this information is something that everybody should know. See, he didn't grow up in the nicest neighborhood. He didn't grow up with the most money. See, he didn't grow up with much money. But when he seen this, he felt like this information could take him to levels where nothing else in the past could take him. So he decided to take this very serious. He hops on the sessions religiously. He's constantly giving back and showing people how it is that this strategy works, even taking trades with people, because he understands that by teaching others, he himself is going to get better. See, this person is selfless. You know, he doesn't do things with the intention because it just benefits him. No, he's all about the team. He's a team player. He's about the community. So he's somebody that even if you don't know him, even if you don't benefit him in any way, you can ask him a question and he's going to go out his way to make sure that you have the answer, or if not, the resources or the guidance to get that answer. So without hesitation, I'm going to give it to my partner, Mr. Red Eye Company, Isander Plaza. Take it away, bro.
Sheesh. Guys, let's give it back to Gio. Let's give it back to Gio. So guys, real quick. We was in Atlanta this weekend. We had an amazing Elevate Leadership event. So my voice is a little raspy because I lost my voice. But guys, I got y'all. We're gonna make it happen. We're gonna make some money today. With that being said, I just want to kind of feed off what Gio was saying, right? So guys, you guys just pretty much witnessed how he was taking the trade. You guys seen that it was 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, right, guys? But guys, we don't just take trades. You don't just take random trades. You don't just pick random numbers. You have to follow a structure. You have to follow a structure. When you play basketball, there's a play. When you play football, there's a play. When you guys do anything in life, you got to pretty much plan it out before you go ahead and dive in, right? So guys, that's exactly what I'm going to get into. So I'm going to share my screen with you real quick. And again, sorry if you guys can't hear me, let me know. My voice is low, but all right, guys. So what this is here is a compound plan, right? So guys, when you guys start your broker account, which Gio was just showing you guys, you're going to start with a certain amount, right? You're going to start with whichever you decide to invest, depending on the broker you use. So guys, anywhere from $10, $100, $250, $500, pretty much whatever you can afford, right? So let's just say, right? Let's just say that this says 500, but we're going to do 250 just to, so let's just say, right? So what you're looking at, first of all, is called, again, the compound plan. So what we're doing is compounding. So again, you get a block of clay, more clay, more clay, more clay. Eventually you get more and more, you're compounding the clay, right? So what you're doing is you're literally compounding your risk in your amount one. You keep compounding it, compounding it, compounding it every single trade, and you're going to see what it does, right? And this is a numbers game, family. This is all math. This is not made up. This is all Excel. This is a numbers game. So it's very simple. If you know numbers, you know this is very, very accurate, right? So guys, you're going to start with $250, right? A lot of people like to risk 3%. Some people like to do 5%. Some people do 8%. I don't recommend you do anything above 4%, right? But for these, for just educational reasons, I'm going to use 5%. So guys, 5% of 250, what is it? 1250, right? Let me just make sure you guys don't have any questions. Get back to me after I finish. All right, I got you. All right, perfect. All right, perfect. So guys, $250, 5% of that is $1,250, right? So when you risk $1,250, like Jill was just saying, the amount you're gonna get back $938. So guys, 12 plus 938 is 2188, right? So what you're doing is now you're risking 21, what you just won. And when you risk that, you're gonna get back 16. So now you got 21 plus 16, now you got 38, right? So guys, what you're doing is just compounding your profit, amount profit. Originally, the only thing you're risking is the $12. Remember that, family. It's very important. You're not risking your $250. You're only risking, yeah, this is Steven, wonderful. Oh, you might be here. So you're only risking pretty much 5% of the 250. So guys, with that being said, each block here represents a trade. You see how Gio was taking trades, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, nothing longer, right? Guys, each block represents a trade. So count with me, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's just do 9 for now, right? Guys, you hop on Matty Pip session, you get on Millie Mills session, or even if you trade on your own, you follow this compound plan, for compound plan, family, you're gonna turn your $250 to $2,000 in a matter of 9 trades, 1 minute trades, 2 minute trades, 3 minutes. So guys, you just flip your 250 to 2,000, right? Now, let me show you something. For those people who have a little bit more capital, right? Check this out. So guys, 500, 5% of that is 25. You win, your amount win is 18. Your next bet is gonna be 43, and then you win 32. Your next is gonna be 76, right? So again, what you're doing is compounding it, right? Your risk and your profit, compound it, put it on the next trade, right? Guys, check this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's just say, matter of fact, let's do 11 in them. It's my favorite number. Family, you take 11 trades and you go 100% ratio, no losses. You're literally going to take your $500 all the way to 11K in a matter of 11 trades. Again, if you don't have this, I'm going to get you the link. Let me put it on the chat real quick. Then I'm going to show you guys something real quick. Hold on, let me drop it. Yeah, definitely. It's all good. But y'all can hear me though, clear, right? You can hear me, DJ? HFXQuickStart.com. I just dropped it. You guys should be able to get on that. Cool. All right, cool. So I just dropped that. You guys can be able to go to HFXQuickStart.com and get this payment and get this plan. This is a compound plan. You should not be trading without it. All right, cool. So with that being said, 2 things you could do. You can pay yourself every Friday. So let's say, for example, you set yourself a goal, you set yourself a plan. All right, I'm taking 9 trades in 1 week. That's it, no more. That means you're gonna get on 9 sessions. That's it. You're gonna take 1 trade per session. It's this is important. If you're gonna tell yourself, I'm gonna take 9 trades for the week, take your 9 trades, 1 session, that's it. Because guess what? You go 9-0, you just paid yourself. You went from 500 to 9 trades is 4,000. You just paid yourself $2 to $3 for the week. You discipline, take 1 trade, literally paid yourself $3,000 for the week, right? Now, you can either do that. All right. Appreciate it. Discipline for sure. Definitely. And again, if you guys have any questions, like you need me to break it down, definitely hit me up. I got you guys. It's not a problem. Follow me on Instagram, Isaiah Plaza, just my name. And I'll definitely help you guys out. Now, for those of you who have patience, for those of you who like to compound, for those, Gio, can you drop the link, please? Thank you. The HFX Quick Start. For those, appreciate you. For those who like, longevity, for those who want to, hold on for, let's say 6 months, right? You got a 6-month plan, right? So guys, let me show you something. Check this out. You're going to start at 500, right? Matter of fact, I'm going to bring this to 3%. I'm going to bring it to 3%, right? Just so you guys can see. So I'm going to hold this down for 3 months. So in 3 months, we got 90 days, right? So let's say 2 trades per day, 180 sessions, right? That's on the safe side. So 180, right? So we're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. We're not even gonna go that far, actually. Look, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We're just gonna do that. Family, listen to this. If you can go 16 and 0, 100% ratio, and it's not hard because I've seen it done plenty of times. I've gone 10 and 0 myself, 11 and 0. So it's definitely possible. You just literally made it. Your 500 made you almost 70K. And all you have to do is follow the plan. This is numbers. This ain't no magically. If you look and you count, this will make perfect sense. This ain't no numbers that I'm taking out the bottom of mine. You know what I mean? So for real, guys.
Man, I ain't
Follow this
trying to do
plan,
that,
you'll
man.
be very, very, very successful. You'll be set. You just have to have discipline. Follow your plan. Never go against your plan. The only time you lose is when you go against your plan. I promise. So with that being said, guys, next, does anybody have any questions before I move on? Anybody? I want to make sure everybody's understanding. Let me turn on the AC because it's hot. But does anybody have any questions, family?
Anybody got any questions? Because I don't understand that. You got best money. Like, I make more money than that. Sound dope. Flat out.
Let's go. All
All right. Any questions? No? All right, perfect. All right, family. So, yeah, we're going to get into Cash Trap 2.0. And again, guys, if you don't have access to this, hfxquickstart.com. You can grab it, or you go to the Dropbox. It has a link. You can grab it. If not, I can email it to you. Just hit me up on IG. All right? So let me take this down. What we're going to get into now is what's called Cash Trap 2.0. So guys, really simple.
Man, fuck that. Show me your money.
I want to make sure you guys can see my screen. All right, guys, 1 second. All right, perfect. So, guys, what Cash Trap 2 is, for those of you who don't know, guys, so this is pretty much a tool that lets you know where price is moving at that literally at the moment, right? So you see how when you go to your broker, market goes up and down, you either call a buy, you either call a put. Call means you want it to go up, put means you want it to go down. How do I know where it's going?
Answer my
right?
fucking
The reason
question.
why I know where it's going is because of this. This is Cash Trap 2.0, family. And I'm going to break this down to you so simple, a 13-year-old could understand it. So definitely get your notes, guys. If you don't have any notes, that's cool. Take a picture, whatever the case is, but mute the 95%. Oh. My fault, guys, my fault. Yo, hey, they telling you to mute, being too loud. All right, that's my fault, guys. I had my volume off. I should have muted him. All right, we good? All right, cool. So, guys, look, this is a perfect trade right here. So, guys, the first thing I'm gonna look for are confirmations. Write this down. This is very, very, very important. I'm gonna show you how to literally make money on your own time. Literally. I'm going to show you how to make money while you're laying in your bed. I'm going to show you how to make money while you're taking a number 2. I'm going to show you how to make money while you're on a plane. As long as you got Wi-Fi, you're good. I'm going to show you how to take control of your money, right? Who here has a job? Let me hear it. Who here has a job? Drop it. And if you and for those of you who got a job, matter of fact, let me know how much you make an hour. Doesn't matter who it is. If you want to say 25, whatever, just let me know what you make an hour. Anybody, just drop it in the chat. For educational purposes only, family. Charlie, how much? Talk to me. 15. All right. So guys, 872 euros. That's awesome. So guys, Charlie makes $30 an hour, right? Charlie, what if I told you I could show you how to make $30 in 1 minute? 1 minute. Not 2, not 3, not 4, 1 minute. What would you say? So for those of you who got a job, I'm literally, and listen, Listen, ain't nothing wrong with having a job. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. But guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to make $30 in 1 hour. That's what we're here, right? That's why you're here. Shout out to you. So real simple. First thing I'm looking for is a currency. Guys, we're trading currencies. So what you're looking for is the strength of a currency. Right now we're at JBP, JPY, GBP, JPY. What I'm looking for is to see what currency is stronger. Where do you find the currency? Anybody can answer that? No? All right, cool. Currency is right here on the right, guys. So if you look over, look at my mouse, guys, GBP, JPY is right here. And if you guys see, there's numbers right next to it. Obviously, GBP is higher. So guys, write this down. If GBP is higher, if your first currency is higher, up arrow. Second currency is stronger, on a down arrow, right? That's your first point. And I'm just gonna go over this briefly. I'm gonna show you guys where you can get the actual information so you can learn it and actually master it, right? So currency strength meter, that's my first point. Guys, this arrow is gonna be my second point. That's it, it's easy. If price is touching these bands, so you have those red and green bands, that's 3 points. You're gonna get either an S or a B right here, whether you wanna sell or buy. Guys, fourth point, right? If price is touching either support here or resistance, and it wants to cross down, it's giving you a cross. So for example, if I was here, I'll be waiting for it to come back up. So if you see here, cross the support, I am going to wait for a cross until I count it as a point. Same thing for the under indicator. For those of you who don't know, this is called RSI and stochastic. If you don't know what that is, that's fine. You'll learn it in the academy. But guys, all you have to do is wait for a cross and to consider this a point. Same thing with the bottom. So real quick, right? 1 point, currency strength meter. 2 points, arrow. 3 points, Bollinger Bands, right? When price is touching the bands. 4 is the S or the B, whether you're selling or buying. 5, indicator. 6, the other indicator. 7th. Now, 7th is the same, it's pretty much, let me 1 second. Let me see if anybody has any questions to GBP. Yo, I love it here. You guys, bro, I love it here. I literally teach this to you guys and you guys literally take trades and I do it purposely. I always look for a great setup so I can explain it to you guys. And I know that some of you guys who've been here longer, who just taking the trades and you guys make money. So that's awesome. I love it. Shouts out to you. DJ Clear, that's what's up, bro. So with that being said, guys, that's the point system. Again, I'm gonna go over it. Currency strength meter, 1, arrow, 2, price touching, Bollinger Bands, 3, S or B for seller buy, 4, RSI crossover. So if it comes down, you wait for a crossover. If it's up, you wait for a crossover down. That's 5. Same thing with the other indicator. You just wait for the cross. If market is going up, coming and is about to come down, you gotta wait for a cross. Wait till it crosses the red line, or will it wait till it crosses the green line? It's that simple to consider the point. And that's 6 points. Now your 7th point. 5. Guys, everybody know what support and resistance is, right? Anybody got a question? No? Guys, don't worry. We're going to take some live trades after this. I got y'all. We're going to make some money. Don't worry. Call some trades. I'm 5-0, right, Gio? I'm 5-0, guys. So I've been 5-0 since, wow. Yeah, I'm 5-0. Look, if you would have been following me with your compound plan, you would have been halfway to your goal. 10-0. Telling you guys, it's possible. So hopefully I go 7-0 today. Let's do this, family. But with that being said, I'm a little confusing. So I'm going to show you guys where you can go, take notes, watch a video, and actually learn how to do this on your own. Because guys, once you learn how to do this, like I said earlier, you can make money. You can make money while you're in your bed. You can make money while you're in the bathroom, taking a shower, taking whatever it is that you're doing in there. You can make money on the go in the back seat. You can make money on the train. You can make money, guys, you can make money on an airplane. You can make money anywhere. Why? Because you know exactly what's going on. You know how to understand this app. And if you want to say, I'm about to take the 7-point trade, I know it's going to go up. Guess what? Your risk amount, you're more confident. Now you know exactly, all right, cool, I know this is going up. I'm about to put 100 on it. You know what I mean? Because you know it's going up. Don't recommend that. Follow your comp plan. I'm just saying, this is an example, right? So with that being said, any questions? All All right, all right. Charlie, good. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, guys. So next, I'm going to call one live trade, and then I'm going to pass it back to my brother Gio. All right. So, guys, get your brokers ready. Let's make this money. Let's go. All right, guys. So I'm gonna call one, and then I'm gonna give it back to my brother Gio. Okay. All right, guys. So that being said, get your brokers ready. Jesus, I'm hot. All right. Boop, boop. Cool. I'm gonna give you guys a couple seconds to get your brokers ready. Drop some sevens in the chat. Drop some fives in the chat if you're ready to make some money. Let me see it. Let me see it, family. All right. Cool, cool. Sheesh. All right, let's go. Let's go. Jeez. All right, I got you. 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 All right, family. So what I'm looking at right now, what I'm looking for are points. The point system I just explained to you, right? So I'm gonna look for a sexy trade. See what we got. Let's see what we got. See what we got. Gio called one. What'd you say, Gio? I didn't hear you, bro. Euro JPY. Sheesh, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. So I think this is the only call that makes me happy. Haha, I love it. I love it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We're gonna be here every day. We're gonna make sure we make you happy. I got you. We're gonna make you happy and we're gonna make you some money. How about that? It's awesome. Can't beat that. So 993. All right, guys. We're just looking for a good trade so we can call it for you guys. I'm analyzing. Just be patient with me, please. I want a sexy entry for you guys, family. Sexy entry. I want to make sure we make some money because I want to be 6-0. Then I'm going to give it back to my bro Gio so he can take over. All right, so let me see, family. Let me see. I hope y'all got y'all brokers ready. I hope y'all ready. And if you're not, and if you don't have a broker, actually, guys, go on your app store, download Pocket Options. Download Pocket Options. You can take these trades with us. PO trade, my bad. PO trade. All right, so Gio said he was looking at Euro USD, Euro JPY. So, all right, guys. Euro JPY looks like it's gonna be Euro JPY for today. Everybody switched their brokers to Euro JPY. I'm gonna tell you why I'm gonna take it, right? Euro JPY, if you look here, the currency strength meter is the same. It's touching the band, price is touching the band, like I said. Got a down arrow, and look what I mean about the crossover. Look, price is about to cross down. See that? Prices are here, it doesn't cross, but that means this is not a point. But I got 1 point, I got 2 points for the arrow, 3. This is coming down as we speak. So 986. So let me see. Let me go back. Euro JPY. Euro JPY. All right, family, get ready. We're gonna take this. All right, so I'm gonna wait for a pullback. Looks like it's touching 994. Me personally, I'm gonna wait till it comes down 99. Oh, right there. Everybody could get in. I took that late, my fault. I didn't even set up for 3 minutes. That was like, I can't even take that trade. I don't even have my compound. Sage is calling me. Sage? Yeah. So if you guys could get in at 995, that's good. I gotta pull out my trading plan. I can't just be trading.
There it is, 996.
Yeah, I gotta.
997.
Family, if you could take 997, you lit. Guys, if you got in at 997, you lit. You got 96? Let's go. Oh, I'm in there. I'm in there. Let's go. Let's go, family. We in there, family. If you should be in this trade, family. You should be in this trade. So, oh, look at that. Sheesh, family. It's looking good. It's looking good. Looking good. Love how everybody eating. We all eating, family. The whole family eats. The whole family eats. Let's go. Let's go. We in profits. I can't yell today. Can't yell today, but y'all can yell for me. So please, if you want to turn off your mic, scream, do whatever, that's cool. I can't yell today. Let's go. Let's go. soon as you guys clear, scream it out, guys. I took it for 2 minutes. I know you guys took it for like 3 minutes. That's cool. I got in it late. That's why I took it for 2 minutes.
I got it for 1 minute. Cleared.
Clear. Shout out to you. Shout outs to you, my brother. I love it here. I love it here. DJ cleared. Geo cleared. I'm about to clear. Let's go, family. Let's go. Be patient. Let's be patient. So I'm going to see what the market's doing. I'm looking for a down arrow. I'm looking for a red candle. It's blue right now, but if you see it's turning red, so it wants to come down.
992, let's go!
Clear. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, family. Damn, I can't yell. All right, so guys, let's go. That's awesome. All right, guys. So yeah, I'm about to clear. Damn, everybody's clearing. Family, I got a streak going on. I don't know if I should go again or if I just wait, or if I just wait, go tomorrow. What do you guys think? Because I want to keep going. Let's go. All right. I'm 6 or 7. No, I can't figure out. I forgot. 6-0. I'm too excited. Guys, that's pretty good. I'm about to clear. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, family. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So Geo's 2-0. Kill White. What y'all want to do, family? What we gonna do? We gonna call another one, or should I keep my streak? 6-0. Should I go again? Another one. Shout out to Glishel. All right, I'm gonna throw another one.
You know you're gonna clear another one. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. I love it. 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 Let's go. See, y'all ain't me up. I love it. All right, let me do some. Just be patient with me, guys. Me and Gio gonna look at some trades over here. Gio's helping me today. I appreciate him. Ain't he the best? Look at that. The illest mentor in the world. All right, so what I'm gonna do, guys, honestly, TBP AUD don't look bad, but it looks like we're gonna have to wait till that comes to us. You okay? Hold on. You don't? Yo, if I keep the chop out for them, can they see it? Oh, they can't? Okay, perfect. I just or the parts. Okay, perfect. All right, cool. So no pets? No. You allergic? Okay. Yeah, I know that. Nah, you good. Nah, you good, bro? I won't do that to you, bro. All right, guys. So yeah, what I'm doing is just waiting for the market to come to me. Guys, I'm on a streak right now. I'm trying to keep my streak. Shout out to the fam. I just want to thank everybody on this call, guys. You guys are the can't swear. But
Appreciate y'all.
yeah, definitely. Don't worry, we ain't going nowhere. That was just a little some gratitude I was sending out. We ain't going nowhere. We gonna make some money, right?
Copy. I'm here for everything. Let's go.
I appreciate y'all though. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm almost sure, guys, that Euro JPY is gonna give us a down arrow in the next 2 minutes and 43 seconds. So let's be patient. If you can see, you guys can see what I'm looking at. I'm pretty sure you guys see what I see. So got currency, looks like it's the same. Price is shooting up by the touch Bollinger Bands. So I need a arrow down. Price looks like wants to come down. Price looks like it's going up. It wants to cross down. So that's gonna be 1 point, 2 points, 3 points, 4 points. That's a 5-point trade. So that being said, family, not bad. So okay, stay with Euro JPY. I'm gonna look around real quick. I want to make sure we get a sexy trade. Good job. Yeah, so for those of you who who are new here, who don't know, what we're doing now is pretty much calling live trades. Educators do this. You don't have to necessarily hop on our live at 10 because the educators are on IM Academy. You can get on, you can take their trades, which is awesome. We just love to do it because we do it as a community with everybody on our team. Those who don't have time to hop on the session, they can hop on this one, and we can kind of much help them out, make some money, family. So definitely, guys, plug in, make sure you share 1% of your profits with your boy A. What's wrong with this guy, man? This guy wants me out trades. I don't know how y'all feel about that. Shout out to my boy. All right, guys. So it looks like Euro JPY is it, guys. For real. So everybody get your broker to Euro JPY. This is definitely gonna give us a down arrow. I can't say definitely, but from my experience. For real? Bro, you gonna put your life on me right now, bro? All right, let's go. Let's go. We gotta get a sexy trade, family. All right, another minute. Let's get Jomar back so he can start screaming and rolling all over the place. I'm gonna set everything up. So that 20, that's perfect. Boop, boop. EJ cleared. Shout out to Glishelle. I knew you were gonna take it. I knew it. Yo, I knew some people were gonna take that. Shout out to you. Shout out to you. Yo, it's crazy, bro. Telling you, bro, it's crazy. I'll be like, let me leave this here, see if anybody like, bro, y'all are amazing. Y'all are really amazing, for real. That's crazy. All right, guys. So yeah, let's just I'm gonna be patient. Yeah, you guys are on fire. I love it. 9 seconds, guys. 9 seconds. Just give us a down arrow. You're gonna see why I love Cash Trap. Because the market's coming to you, literally coming to you. Look at that. Look at that. So guess what we're gonna do, family? We're gonna get in. So Euro JPY, family. It says put. Oh, but the currency's stronger on the. See that? Yeah, it just turned. This is. Let's see let me see what it's doing. Give me 1 second, family. I gotta keep my streak alive. Nah, this is coming down, Gio. 100%. Family, if we get a pullback, ooh, look at that pullback. That was sexy. If it comes back up to 999, I'm going to get in. Family, we're going to take this for low risk, and we're going to take it for 2 minutes. Low risk in 2 minutes. So if it comes back up, family, you know what to do. Gio got it. Ooh, I didn't get it. Shout out to y'all. If y'all could take it for 1 minute, that's cool too. I'm pretty sure those of you who know probably took it for 1 minute, but 127 cleared. Sheesh. Yeesh. Let's go. Let's go. Look at that, guys. If you took that, you're in profits. Let me know if you guys took that. Anybody took that? No.
27.
Oh my God. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That's Euro JPY. Yeah, first sell at 999. Yeah. Sheesh.
955.
955 or 995.
995.
Oh, that's a little. That's risky. How do you know when to take a risk? So I do it if I don't get a 7-point trade, if I don't get a perfect trade, I'm not gonna put a high risk. You know what I mean? If I get a 5-point trade, if I get a trade that I'm not sure where it's going, I'm gonna do a low risk. But if I'm sure, I'm not gonna say take low risk. If you ever hear me say take a low risk, that just means that I'm not 100% sure. That's all. But if you can see here, family, let me know that you cleared. Let me know, family. Let me know where you got in at. When you clear, drop some fires. Clear. Let me hear it, family. Because if I clear this, family, I'm 7-0. Wow. Let's go. Oh, my fault, guys. Damn, I forgot the camera was on. Oh my God. I'm just kidding. Let's go. Family, you understand what's going on here? Do y'all understand what's going on here, family? I literally just went 7-0 with y'all. 5% done. Shout out to you. Shout out to you.
Let's go!
Let's go. My boy, Big Boy Diamonds is up. You heard? Yo, but then la mitad, bro. All right, guys. So it was an amazing session, family. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Before I move on, does anybody have any questions before I give it back to Gio? I know we got a couple of you guys who are new here. Guys, this is literally what we do every day. We trade, we make it fun. Everybody here is a loving family. We're all genuine. We're all caring. We get together. We make money. It's always a good vibe, right? So before I move on, does anybody have any questions? Shout out to Jomar. Sheesh. First of all, let me drop your record. Drop your record. Let me see what's your record for today, family. Drop your record. Drop your record. Yo, hey, go to sleep, though. So guys, drop your record 3-0. Shaquille 2-0. Oh my God. 3-0. Oh my God. I gotta take a picture of this. Guys, shout me out on your story, man. Yeah, this is crazy. Shout me out on your story. Let everybody know you make some money with me. Show me some love. Let's go. 7-2, Glishell. I'm so sorry you went 7-2. I apologize. Bet you cleared? Let's go. Whole family, clearing family. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I love it. I really love it. So, guys, like I was saying, we do this all the time. Anybody have any questions before I move on? Anybody? Not everybody at the same time. All right, we're running a little late, but I'm gonna give it to my boy Gio. So guys, I just want to say thank you so much. Thank you for having me. If you guys have any questions, hit me up in the DM. With that being said, I'm gonna give it right back to my brother Gio. But before I actually put him on, guys, I just want to let you guys know the reason why I'm able to do this with you guys, the reason why I know what I'm looking at, the reason why I'm having so much success, guys, is because I got an amazing mentor. Not only did he, point me in the right direction, but, when I ever need a little push, he's always there for me, guys. So definitely listen to your mentors, guys. Definitely you'll get you'll get further in this quicker with a mentor. And guys, I was lucky enough to have this great mentor. I was lucky enough to learn from him. And the reason why I'm able to help you guys is because he helped me, right? So with that being said, I'm going to give it to my boy Gio. Take it over.
Let's get it. Shouts to my boy Red, Mr. Isander Plaza family. Another very powerful session. I want to say I appreciate each and every single one of you guys. Stay in tune. We got 30 plus on today's call, millions of people watching back home. For those of you guys who are special guests, seeing this for the first time, this part is specifically for you guys. See, the reason why we started this partnership is because we've always felt like there was information out there that the average person didn't have access to. Information that the average person wasn't taught as they grew up. See, when we look at the wealthiest people in the world, none of them are working a job. When it comes to the wealthiest of the wealthy, they're all investors. They're all looking at different financial markets, different businesses, different things that can generate them more wealth. So what we're doing is we're moving from the 60% of society who works just a job. We're helping those who are self-employed. We're helping those who are small business owners. We're helping those that have families. We're helping those that have bills. We're helping those that have dreams. We're helping those people that want more out of life learn how to move into that investor quadrant and start multiplying their money from the comfort of their home, from the comfort of their beach, while they're working, making money, while they're taking care of the kids. Because with the right information, each and every one of you guys can be empowered. With the right information, each and every one of you guys can be educated. And with the right information, each and every single one of you guys can be enriched. So everything you heard today, shouts to my boy Isander, and everything that I spoke about at the beginning of the session is what we learned from the I Am Mastery Academy. And through this partnership, you guys are going to get mentorship. You guys are going to get access to courses, access to videos, access to live people that have been doing this for years and are going to show you how they're doing it and how they're successful. In order to partner up with us, you guys who are special guests, get back to the person who invited you on this call. Tell them you like what you see and you're ready to get started, because the cost is minuscule. See, people pay around the world thousands and thousands of dollars for this type of mentorship, for this type of guidance. But because we did this, not out of a necessity for more money, rather because we wanted to empower, enrich, and educate 1 million people all around the world, we made it so that the everyday person can afford it. Today, you guys can get access to foreign exchange, high frequency, how you just saw, digital currency for just $325 to get started. And to all my special guests here today, if you're interested in just high frequency to get started, we actually have a promotional pack. So make sure you guys take advantage of that. So for $199, You guys can get started on your journey today. And for the next 30 days, get access to multimillionaires. Get access to a system that's going to save you time, energy, and money. After 28 days, after a month, there is a monthly investment for the tools and the resources. But what I say is, if you plug into these resources and these tools, if you learn this skill, you can potentially make $175, $275, $500 in just a matter of minutes. You guys saw it here live. You guys saw it here first. Shouts to my boy Red Eye Company, Mr. Isander Plaza. If you got value out of today's session, please do us a solid. Follow us on Instagram. Invite the next person, your friends, your family, your colleague, the person you just met at Starbucks because they was the cashier, or down the street just walking. Invite them on this call, because you sharing this information with somebody is like a butterfly effect. Down the line, you don't know what that person's gonna do. You don't know who that person is gonna help. And by that person helping somebody, it might just come back to you. So with that being said, that's our time here today. I want to appreciate every single body tuning in. If you're a guest, get back to the person who invited you on this call. My name is Gio at East Coast G. My partner's name is Isander at Isander Plaza. I'll catch you guys at the next one at the bank, and I will for sure welcome you guys in the chat. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Peace.